In this video guide, I will show you step by step how to open Targo Bank online. So friends, let's get started. First, go to Google, search for Targo Bank. This is the keyword, as you can see here. After write this keyword, click the first result here. You will see this page. From here, go to Account and Cards, this option, and then go to Online, this Konto. From here, you have Online Account. You can apply now. From here, right apply, you will see this page. From here you have two options: online account, you have individual account or a joint account. I choose individual, click this one option. From here, friends, you have with overdraft or without overdraft. If you want to write without overdraft, you have available from little 1000 salary, and this is overdraft. Click this option. From here, submit this form, enter your personal information such master, write your name, surname, birthday, dates, choose the birthday, and then choose your birthday one. For example, this is my birthday. After that, you will see this option, friends. When you write this birthday, choose the year. After submit year, write your place of birthday, choose the address, all this information here. After that, friends, when you type this information here, choose the street or any information yet, place, choose the place here, and then complete these steps. Choose the which country taxables, Germany or any country here. Click now, click this option, and then upload your ID, choose the email address and your mobile phone number, and then complete your application. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this.